Okay, so I've got some ferrous fluid inside the beaker, and you don't really want to get it on the walls of the beaker if you can, so you want to keep the beaker straight up and down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a stack. Well, first what I'm going to do is put this neodymium magnet on here, and then I'm going to put a stack of cardboard on there, and then I'm just going to put this on top of here. Now I don't want to just like set it on top because it can fall over, and that's not that good. But we're going to look in here and we're going to see when the magnet actually does something to the fluid. So I'm just going to put that right there. And so I'm going to pull out pieces of cardboard. So I don't see anything going on right now. So I'm going to pull out a piece of cardboard. Whoops. Okay. So I pulled out a piece of cardboard. God, this is hard with one hand. And I'm going to put it back on here, and I'm going to see if I can see anything. And I still can't really see anything. So I'm going to take another cardboard off. And I'll put that back on there, and I'm going to see, oh, now I got these little wiggly things, little spiky things. So I'm going to count out how many spiky things there are, and I'm going to count out how many pieces of cardboard there are. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take another cardboard off, and I'm going to set that back on there. Ooh, there's more spikies. More spikies. So that means that the magnetic field is more powerful. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. I'm going to take this off. I would count those spikes. I'd take off another one, and I'm going to count the spikes again. Now you're going to do this until you have counted all the spikes, and you eventually get down to the neodymium magnet. And you want to be really careful not to clank this along the piece of glass, otherwise you're going to break it. But you can see the spikies right there. And you might want to try to count them, or maybe not. So you're going to fill in the chart with how many spikes there are and how many pieces of cardboard there are between the magnet and the glass. And once again, this is ferrous fluid, and it's magnetic fluid, and it's very cool, very fun to play with. But be very careful to keep the glass straight up and down, and not to clank the neodymium magnet against the glass, otherwise it'll break.